The new Surface Duo. Interesting design for 2020. I think Microsoft had a lot of guts, in my opinion, for this design. And I think this is gonna be an interesting device for 2020. I like the Microsoft products. But we'll see what the people think about this tablet slash smartphone. But it's not cheap. No, it's not cheap. It's 1,400 USA dollars. It's kind of pricey, but let's see what you get here. So dual pixel sense technology display. It's an AMOLED screen. It's a 8.1 inch screen. 2700 by 1800. 401 pixels per inch, which the brightness should be great. I think in my case, I think the brightness will be good. So up to 15 hours battery life. Actually, the battery is not big. It's 3500 1000 milliamp hour battery. But it's interesting design. We'll see if this device actually is gonna be something that you want to change for 2020. Obviously, with that kind of price, you can buy a very good laptop. But the interesting part is that you can do a lot of different options. So you can use the both screen, you can do multitasking, and this is the reason why Microsoft, I think they want to do that. Is, let's say, if you on the one of the screens you can check your notes, second screen you'll do some Excel sheets. So it's an Android with Microsoft apps, which is gonna be interesting to see. But let me play this video, and this is the official video from Microsoft, and let's see if you're gonna like it. In my case, I think this is gonna be a great device. But I don't know, what do you think? This is gonna help you to change the device. Let's see the video.
Hello? You ready?
Microsoft Duo. Interesting design. But I'm interested to see what chipset is coming. I think it's coming with Snapdragon 855, if I'm not wrong, which I think this is yeah, so Snapdragon 855, which it's an old, well, it's not very old processor, but I think 865 is the latest one. But also there's an 855 plus. I don't know. It's. I think it's gonna be good device, but we'll see that when we'll get the Microsoft Surface Duo.